How are you guys doing today? I'm going to be doing a Note 10 Plus unboxing. They put a Pro, I'm assuming, because all the rumors are saying Pro, so when they were doing production. But anyways, I got this one off Amazon just because OtterBox is not getting their cases in until the end of August, beginning of September. So when my pre-order comes in, I want to make sure my phone will be protected. So let's just get right up into it. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. Some installation steps, which is probably pretty basic. On the bottom, it looks like you got a dust cover and a S Pen cover. I've been telling OtterBox to do that for years because my biggest thing is when I drop my phone, the S Pen always goes flying out. I'm sure I'm not the only one who experiences that. Let's see if I can open this dust cover up. It is actually pretty tight. Dust cover opens up like that. Or does S Pen cover open up the opposite way? And it does. So, if you have a problem with dropping your phone like I do, that looks like it will be good. Separate front casting from rear camera. Oh, there's a little thing on the back that will do that. Some hard plastic looks like for the rear, see-through case. Make sure there's no screen protector on your phone before installing this case. I'm assuming because it's got a front plastic case on it, and if you put a screen protector on it, the ultrasonic scanner may or may not work. That's the only thing I could think of why it says that. So, since OtterBox will take a little bit to get their cases in, I got this case like I said. There's some instructions. Yeah, probably for the ultrasonic scanner right there. I don't know how much I'm going to like the clear case back, considering that the Note 10 Plus 5G only came in black. So, that doesn't really have anything to affect me with. Because I personally didn't want black. I just got black because that's the only color they made. So, that is a Note 10 case unboxing. I will do a video of it on the phone in a week or so when the phones come in. But for now, this is the first accessory that I was able to get into the mail.